5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Engines full power and lift off of Bandwagon 1 and ADD 425. Go Falcon, go SpaceX.
Vehicles peak chain downrange.
T plus 30 seconds into flight, successful customer satellites into orbit today. The Kennedy Space Center, currently throttling down those Merlin 1D engines in preparation for the next. So coming up in about 45 seconds, we'll have
and back ignition.
Stage 1 boost back.
After the boost back burn completes.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy.
And there is successful landing of our first stage.
Stage